It enters skin, it leaves again, and knows no border, knows no end. I breathe the sorrow, breathe the pain of countless hearts of wind and rain. And as it passes through my chest, it turns to stillness, turns to rest. No need to hold, no need to cure. The love that breathes is always pure. It doesn't ask, it doesn't choose. It has no side, it cannot lose. Each breath a bridge from self to sky, each sigh a song that says goodbye to all divisions mind has drawn, to all the walls of right and wrong. Compassion is not born of thought, it is the air that can't be caught. The heart expands, the breath flows through, and every being breathes anew. Now every sound, each life, each tear becomes the same soft truth made clear. The world inhales, the stars exhale. The pulse of love will never fail. I am not I, and you not you. The same wind moves in all we do. The breath that joins all forms, all kin, is life unending, breathing in.